Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually see explicit content on your Deezer page. Now let's say you are wanting to find a song and all they do is curse, and Deezer filters those songs out so you can't find them. Now I'm going to show you a way how to actually find them. Now all you have to do is open up your browser, your preferred browser, and from there open up the official Deezer application or your Deezer webpage. Now from there you log into your existing account, and from there you go to the top right corner right here. Now here your settings appear, and here you can go to your account settings. Now once you're inside your account settings, go to the top right corner where it says more. Now here you see your display settings. Now inside your display settings are two options: hide explicit content and do not recommend me explicit content. Now if you're younger than 21, these will automatically be set on, so make sure that they are turned off right here. And this update might take a few hours, so notice that. And also turn off this recommended explicit content feature. Now, as you can see, the features has been turned off, and now you should be able to find and listen to explicit songs, like for example any hip hop songs where they curse a lot. Now if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. But most importantly, thank you for watching.